Iningatan mo na rin naman, ingatan mo na hanggang dulo. Protect your testimonies at all cost, and don't go back to the way you used to be. Dear, ipapaalala ko lang sa'yo na hindi lang pangalan mo yung nire-represent mo, pero pangalan din ni Lord. So please represent well. Kung paano mo winawagaywa yung watawat ng bansa mo, ng campus mo, at ng work mo, ganun mo din sana itaas ang pangalan ng Panginoon sa buhay mo. You are not just telling a simple story, but a narrative on how a God so great chose His Son to die in our place. Your life alone is a powerful story of redemption. Kaya wag mong hayaang manakawan ka. Wag mong hayaang mawalan ka. Be someone who'll choose to walk in the light of truth. Someone who knows the cost, yet stays true to his or her calling. And someone who would make people see and believe that God changes stories. Ingatan mo. Iningatan mo rin naman, ilaban mo na hanggang dulo. Lord, I hope I make you proud. With love and prayers, Noel.